This 1937 Royal Junior typewriter has been fully refurbished, has new rubber feet, has a new silk ribbon on metal spools, and is ready to type. The print is really nice and dark and clear. This beautiful little Royal Junior typewriter has really nice glass keys. The platinum feed rollers have been reconditioned, they're in good shape. It's got a silk ribbon on metal spools. That produces really nice dark print. It's got new rubber feet. The finish is a black glossy enamel. It's in really good shape. It does have a few nicks and blemishes. It looks really good overall. This is a Depression-era machine, and to keep them as affordable as possible, they removed features that weren't absolutely necessary. For instance, it does not have an automatic ribbon reverse. When you get to the end of the ribbon, you simply push a button on this side or this side. That reverses the ribbon. It also only has black. It doesn't have the ability to use two-colored ribbon. But most people really don't type in red anyhow. And they also omitted the left knob. The right one there. You really don't need both of them. But the quality of it's still really nice. It's an 82-year-old machine. The reprinted user's manual for this is for the Royal Portable, which is essentially the same, only that will have more features than the Junior has. But it still might be useful for you. And the original case is in fair condition. It's been cleaned and it's solid. But it is 82 years old. The latch on this is a two-part system. This piece latches over this hook. Now the other piece that goes into the locking mechanism, the tip of it is broken off. So it doesn't work as well as it was designed, but it will still hold it closed, but you may want to be careful handling it. It's a 1937 Royal Junior typewriter.